Wagon is home. Welcome to another episode of Limmy Bashes. Today I'm working on my wagon. It's finally home. So I'm starting work on this beast. I serviced it just the other day, just did an oil and filter. So today I'll do air filter and fuel filter. I'm also doing brakes and discs all around, so I got brand new Motorcraft pads front and rear, and brand new genuine Ford discs all around as well. I've also got safe brake braided brake hoses, so they'll be going on. And then for also a little cosmetic change, a little bit of a chrome exhaust tip and some blue brake calipers. So should look like a pretty nice setup once I'm all finished.
This is what you need to do your pads and discs on a AU to FG Falcon. You've got a 12mm for the caliper bolts. That's an 18mm, which will spin once you crack that. So you need an 18mm. And a 15mm spanner or ring end spanner, so that you can gently persuade with that for the carrier bolts. FPV blue.
Stuck on my template for my snorkel. Now comes the centre hunch. So fingers crossed they're all in the right spots.
All the holes are drilled. I've got to chop out these two little bits here, so it's an oval, and then deburr all of them and paint them and fit up that big snorkel right there. It'll look even better once the snorkel's bolted up.
That was an asshole of a thing to fit. But the car's back together now. That concludes my 17-hour day one of this weekend on this car. Brakes are all done, wheel bearings done, snorkel's done, fuel filter, air filter, exhaust tip, and that's it for today. I'm Rex. Ciao.